Here I have HUAWEI Y520 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the HUAWEI settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon right here. Find and select the settings. Let's scroll down and under personal tab, let's choose backup and reset right here. Select backup and reset. Then select factory data reset. Let's read the instruction and choose reset phone. So let's choose one more time erase everything to begin the hard reset operation, and right now the device is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and installed apps, so let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. As you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.